હેપી કુંવરજી ડે. મારી બધાને ખૂબ શુભકામના. મારા બાળકો બહુ પ્રગતિ કરે એવા મારા આશીર્વાદ.
હેલો, એ હેપી કુંવરજી ડે. એ દિવસ તો આપણા માટે મોટો હોય જ છે અને સારી રીતે આપણે લોકો મનાવીએ, પણ આખું વર્ષ એવી રીતે સરસ રીતે જ બધા ખુશીથી રહીએ એ આપણા માટે અને આપણા ફેમિલી માટે મોટી વસ્તુ છે. હેપી કુંવરજી ડે.
Happy Kuvarji Day to all of you.
Happy Kuvarji Day to every Kuvarjians. Always stay happy, wealthy and successful.
હેપી કુંવરજી ડે. હેપી કુંવરજી ડેનો ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન, ખૂબ ખૂબ મારા આશીર્વાદ, શુભકામનાઓની સાથે આનાથી વધારે પ્રગતિ કરે એવો સરસ દિવસ.
Happy Kumarji Day to all Kumarjians. I wish everyone a very successful year ahead and I wish we keep growing together.
Happy Kuvarji Day. I'm very blessed and grateful to be part of the Kuvarji family.
Wishing everyone a very happy Kumarji Day.
हैप्पी कुंवरजी डे.
हैप्पी कुंवरजी डे टू ऑल द कुंवरजियंस. एक छोटा सा इंडिकेशन है कि हम लोग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ग्रो कर रहे हैं, उसका वो है कि मैं अभी हिंदी में आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ और गुजराती में नहीं, विच मीन्स कि हम लोग दूसरी लोकेशंस एंड दूसरी जोग्राफीज में भी प्रेजेंट है. सब लोग साथ में ग्रो करते रहेंगे. हैप्पी कुंवरजी.
Wishing everyone a very very happy Kuvarji Day.
કુંવરજી પરિવારનો આજે મહત્વનો દિવસ છે. 2 સપ્ટેમ્બર 2024 અવિનાશી વર્ષમાં પ્રવેશતા આ સૌ કુંવરજી પરિવારને મારી શુભકામના.
Namaste to everyone. Myself Piyush Acharya. On behalf of my family, my warm wishes to all of us for the 79th annual day of Kumarji. Every year we celebrate this day. This year is also a proud moment. So many years ago, value kept in foundation by the Shri Kumarji Bai, with the same value Mr. Nayan Bai and Mr. Chetan Bai, with the family and the teamwork, build the biggest empire. And the same values are carried over to the new generation also. With the new generation adaptation quality and the elder ones' experience, Kuvarji Group will achieve much more new milestones. That's my best wishes. Thanking you.
Hi everyone. I am C.A. Rajni, the auditor and consultant of Kumarji Group since 2001. Every year I got this opportunity and privilege to convey my best wishes to Kumarji Group in particular and Kumarji family in general. I have observed that the continuous efforts and the dedicated approach of Nayan and Chetan have brought this group to this level. I am absolutely sure that in time to come, this group will see the new heights, and I can say that Nayan can see through the walls and Chetan can read multiple screens on the wall. So in and all, best of luck, and once again congratulations to the Kumarji Group and all the best. Thank you.
It is great pleasure for me and the entire Kumarji team to celebrate this 79th Kumarji Day today. I had joined Kumarji as a director in 2016, and when I look back at this 18 years journey, I believe that it has been the most rewarding span in my life. I have learned so many things. Coming to Kumarji, when I look back, I see the organization transforming and changing with every change in environment, be it market, be it compliance, be it other aspects. And it is a innate Kumarji spirit that it always adjusts to the time, realities and grows out of it. The management ethos and the culture both are excellent and hard to find in these days and time. The growth opportunity that the organization presents is a wonderful opportunity for all my colleagues. Thank you so much.
I wish you all a very happy Kuvarji Day, the 79th milestone that we have achieved, and wish you all progress and success and good health. God bless.
Wish you all a very happy 79th Kuvarji Day. May we recommit ourselves as always and bring wonders for the organization. Happy Kuvarji Day.
Hello Kuvarjins, wishing you all a happy Kuvarjin Day. We pray for His blessings and guidance to remain with us forever. Thank you.
Hello Kuvarjins, wishing you all a very happy 79th Kuvarji Day. On this auspicious day, let us take an oath to achieve a higher milestone, to grow to a next level and achieve overall aspirations. Wishing you all a happy Kuvarji Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, wishing everyone a very good Foundation Day. We've grown tremendously in the past 1.5 years, as you all are aware of it. And our vision is to grow many-fold from here and become the most coveted company that anyone aspires to work for. Best wishes to everyone and let's grow together from here. Thank you.
On this 79th Kuvarji Day, I wish for Kuvarjian's footprint across all the continents of the globe. Wish you a very, very happy Kuvarji Day.
Wish you a very happy 79th Kumarji Day. We in HR at Kumarji are continuously trying to build a progressive, forward-looking and a happy organization.
Happy 79th Kumarji Day and my all the best wishes to entire Kumarji group. Thank you.
So very happy Kumarji Day. આ એક એવો દિવસ છે ને કે જે દરેક કોમર્જન્સને એવું ફીલ કરાવે છે કે હજી કંઈક નવું એચીવ કરવું છે, નવું હાસિલ કરવું છે. જે ફાઉન્ડર હતા આપણા એમના મિશન અને વિઝનને એચીવ કરવું છે. વિશ યુ ઓલ અ વેરી ગ્રેટ સક્સેસ એન્ડ અચીવમેન્ટ્સ. થેન્ક યુ. હેપી કુંવરજી ડે.
Wish you a happy Kuvarji Day. Kuvarji's journey from the inception to the success is truly inspiring. Congratulations on another success of year. Best wishes for the continued growth. Thank you.
Wish you a happy Kuvarji Day. Last year remains historical and remarkable in the journey of the Kuvarji Group, and I am confident that next year would be a northward for the Kuvarji Group. With the blessing of the Kuvarji Data and the guidance of the management, will achieve a new height of the success. I wish you happy Kuvarji.
Wish you happy 79th Kuvarji Day. Thank you.
Happy Kuvarji Day. I'm happy to be a part of such a wonderful organization and I'm glad to be a part of the growth story. Thank you everyone.
हेलो कुंवरजियन, 79 कुंवरजी डे की आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. मुझे गर्व है कि मैं कुंवरजी ग्रुप के साथ एसोसिएट हूँ. कुंवरजी ग्रुप अपने एम्प्लॉय को ओनरशिप और फ्रीडम देता है काम करने की. कुंवरजी अपने ओनरशिप, इंटीग्रिटी, नॉलेज, इन सिद्धांतों पर चलकर बहुत जल्द विश्व का एक बड़े कॉर्पोरेट के रूप में उभरेंगे. इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ हैप्पी कुंवरजी डे.
Hello fellow Kuvarjins. I am wishing you all a very happy 79th Kuvarji Day. Let's take pledge for the growth of the organization. Thank you.
Hi friends, on the occasion of 79th anniversary of Kumarji Day, I would like to thank our founder Kumarji Bhai Thakkar for creating this beautiful organization based on strong values and work ethics. I would also like to congratulate each one of you for the amazing milestone. Let's celebrate this day to the fullest and have a wonderful day. Cheers and all the best.
Congratulations to Kuvarji Group on your 79th anniversary. Your remarkable journey of excellence and dedication inspires us all. Best wishes for continued success and growth.
On the occasion of 79th Kumarji Day, I wish all Kumarjians a very happy Kumarji Day. May we all work together for the endeavor and prosperity of this family. Happy Kumarji Day to everyone.
Hi, on the occasion of Kuvarji Day, I wish all the Kuvarjians a great Kuvarji Day.
નમસ્તે બધા કુંવરજન્સને 79th કુંવરજી એનિવર્સરીની બધાને હાર્દિક શુભકામનાઓ. લાસ્ટ યર 2023માં આપણે એક સ્લોગન બદલ્યું હતું. આપણે શરૂઆતમાં કુંવરજી ડ્રીવન બાય નોલેજનું નામ બદલીને આપણે લેટ્સ ગ્રો ટુગેધર કર્યું. અને મને બધાને જણાવતા ખૂબ જ આનંદ થાય છે કે એ લેટ્સ ગ્રો ટુગેધરને આપણે ઘણી સારી સાર્થક રીતે આપણે તેને પરિપૂર્ણ કર્યું છે. કુંવરજી દાદાના આશીર્વાદથી આપણે લાસ્ટ યરની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં આપણે 3 ટાઈમ્સ કોમર્જિયન્સનો પણ નવા યુવાનોનો પણ ભરતી થઈ છે, તેમજ આપણા નવા અલગ બધા વર્ટિકલમાં પણ આપણે ખૂબ જ પ્રોગ્રેસ કરી રહ્યા છે. અમે આશા રાખીએ છીએ આવનારા વર્ષોમાં પણ કુંવરજી આવી જ રીતે સતત પ્રગતિ કરી રહે તેવી બધાને શુભકામનાઓ.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Today, as we celebrate 79 years of excellence, innovation, and success, thanks to everyone who has been part of this incredible journey. Here's to our past achievements and many more milestones ahead. So let's continue to grow together. Once again, Happy Kuvarji Day.
Hello everyone, we are celebrating 79th Kuvarji Day, and we all know how important and auspicious day this is. I wish every Kuvarji's life will be with more success, prosperity and growth. Wish you all a very happy Kuvarji Day.
Wish you all a happy Kuvarji's Day. I am Hidesh Shah, working with Kuvarji Group since last 18 years. It is a very amazing journey. I have lot of learning experience and wonderful time in Kuvarji Group. Thank you.
Happy 79th Kuvarji Day to everyone. Cheers to 79 years of excellence and many more to come. Wishing all the Kuvarjis a very happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy 79th Kuvarji Day to all of us. May this day inspire us and uplift us as we continue to achieve greater things. Here's to celebrating our remarkable journey and continued success. Happy Kuvarji Day once again.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
હેલો ઓલ કુંવરજી. આજના કુંવરજી દિવસની ઉજવણી આપણા બધા માટે ખૂબ જ ગર્વની વાત છે. ઘણું શીખવા મળ્યું અને ઘણું પ્રાપ્ત થયું. મેનેજમેન્ટના માર્ગદર્શન હેઠળ કંપનીએ તમામ પાસાઓમાં સારી રીતે વિકાસ કર્યો છે અને મને ખાતરી છે કે ભવિષ્યમાં પણ વેગ મજબૂત બનશે. કુંવરજીની સમગ્ર ટીમને મારી શુભેચ્છાઓ. હેપી કુંવરજી ડે.
Wish you a very happy 79th Kuvarji Day.
Wish you all happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy 79th Kuvarji Annual Day.
Wishing you a very happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
We are thrilled to celebrate our Kuvarji's legacy. It has been our privilege to be a part of such a spectacular journey. We look forward to dedicate ourselves for the Kuvarjians' esteemed legacy. Thank you.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. 1992માં 10 જણના સ્ટાફમાંથી આજે 700 જણનો સ્ટાફ થયો છે એનો મને ગર્વ છે. હું કુંવરજી ગ્રુપનો એ વખતે બી અને અત્યારે બી એની જોડે સાક્ષી છું અને આમને આમ કુંવરજી ગ્રુપ પ્રગતિ કરતી રહે.
We wish you a happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Long live Kuvarjians.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Wish you a happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Wishing you all a very happy 79th Kuvarji Day. May Kuvarji grow, success, prosper in coming years too. Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Hi all, it has been a great journey, Kuvarji growing day by day, and it's the 79th Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Wishing you all happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Wishing you a happy Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day. Wish you all a very happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy 79th Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Happy Kuvarji Day.
As we celebrate our 79th Kuvarji Day, we wish all the Kuvarjians a very happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
From the Delhi team.
Wish you a happy Kuvarji Day. Happy 79th Kuvarji Day.
Wish you all Kuvarjians 79 happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. All of you.
All of you.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day.
Happy Kuvarji Day. Namaskar.